Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello to World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to open a new window in website Microsoft Edge in Windows 11. So for this case we have to open a Microsoft Edge browsing site. So here I have opened. So here the plus sign, see, when we just keep on the mouse on this sign, so here new tab. So when we click just button, left button, see the new tab has been opened. So here any kinds of thing like RNN, press the enter, we will go to the any kinds of site. So here also when we click the right button and we can go the another page or another tab. So how? So when we press any kinds of, see, recurrent neural network, and press the right button and see open link in new tab. So click here, see the thing has been revealed in this way. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.